Hey, Tom.
Hey, Emma.
You don't sound very happy.
Yeah, I know.
Let me guess. One of those days?
Exactly. Just one of those days.
Oh no. What happened?
Nothing big, everything small, but all together, it's a lot.
Hmm, that sounds like a real day.
A very real day.
Okay, tell me. Start from the morning.
All right, this morning was bad.
Bad how?
I woke up late.
Oh no.
My alarm rang. I heard it. I thought, 5 more minutes.
5 more minutes is dangerous.
Very dangerous. 5 minutes became 30.
Classic.
When I woke up again, I jumped out of bed.
Like a movie?
Yes, but not a cool movie, a stressful movie.
I can see it.
I looked at the clock. I said, no, no, no.
You said it 3 times?
Yes, that makes it worse.
Did you eat breakfast?
No,
Did you drink coffee?
also no.
Tom, that's already a problem.
I know. No breakfast, no coffee, no happiness.
So you left the house.
Yes, I ran out of the house.
Did you forget anything?
Of course.
Let me guess. Your phone?
No, I had my phone.
Your keys?
Yes.
Oh no.
I locked the door. Then I checked my pocket.
And?
No keys.
That hurts.
It really hurts.
So what did you do?
I stood there. I looked at the door. The door looked back at me.
Very rude door.
Very rude.
Did you finally get your keys?
Yes, I had to call my roommate.
Early in the morning?
Very early.
Was he happy?
No, he was not happy.
So you were both unhappy.
Yes, team unhappy.
Did you at least get coffee after that?
I tried.
You tried.
The coffee shop was closed.
Closed?
Closed.
That's too much.
I stood there. I looked at the sign.
What did the sign say?
Closed for cleaning.
Cleaning? In the morning?
Exactly.
That's a crime.
I agree.
So, no coffee again?
No coffee.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you. I need emotional support.
How was your brain at that point?
My brain was still sleeping.
Same body, sleeping brain.
Yes, my body was moving. My brain stayed in bed.
That happens to me too.
I walked to work. I forgot where I was going.
Really?
Yes, I stopped. I thought, why am I outside?
Oh, wow.
Then I remembered. Oh yeah, work.
Such a sad moment.
Very sad.
Okay, you arrived at work.
Yes, late.
Of course.
I sat down. I turned on my computer.
Please tell me it worked.
It did not.
No.
It was slow, very slow.
Like a snail?
Slower than a snail.
Wow.
I clicked one thing. I waited. I waited more.
And?
Nothing.
Your computer also had one of those days.
Yes, it understands me.
That's kind of nice.
Not really.
True.
Then my boss came.
Uh-oh.
He said, "Good morning, Tom."
What did you say?
I said, "Good, yes."
Good yes.
Yes, my brain failed.
That's funny.
Not for me.
Did he notice?
He smiled.
That's not bad.
But then he asked, "Are you okay?"
And?
I said, "Yes, I'm fine.
Were you fine?
No.
Classic answer. What else happened?
Everything small went wrong.
Like what?
I spilled water on my desk.
Oh no.
Not a lot, just enough.
Enough to be annoying.
Exactly.
Anything else?
I sent an email with a mistake.
A small mistake?
A very small mistake.
But you saw it later.
Yes, much later.
That's the worst.
I read it again. I said, why?
You ask yourself why a lot today.
Yes, too much.
Okay, lunchtime. Did lunch save the day?
I hoped so.
Did it?
Not really.
What happened?
I forgot my lunch at home.
Tom.
I know.
So you bought food.
Yes,
What did you buy?
a sandwich.
Sounds good,
It looked good.
but
It tasted sad.
sad sandwich?
Very sad sandwich.
No sauce.
No sauce.
That's unacceptable.
I ate it anyway.
Of course you did.
I was hungry and tired.
How was anything good today? Think hard.
Actually, yes.
Tell me.
After lunch, I talked to a coworker.
And?
He said, "You look tired."
That's honest.
I said, "I am."
Good answer.
He laughed. Then he said, "Same."
That feels nice.
Yes, I didn't feel alone.
That matters.
It really does.
So, how do you feel now?
Still tired.
But better?
A little better.
Why?
Because the day is almost over.
That's a good reason.
And I'm talking to you.
Aw.
And tonight I will sleep early.
Will you?
Yes. No phone. No 5 more minutes.
Good plan.
Tomorrow will be better.
It usually is.
Today was not terrible.
Just one of those days.
Exactly.
You know what?
What?
It's okay to have days like this.
Yeah, I know.
You don't have to be happy every day.
That's true.
Some days are just days.
And that's okay.
Exactly.
Thanks for listening.
Thanks for sharing.
See you tomorrow.
With coffee.
With coffee.
Always with coffee.
Always.